In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Gemini in the Chrome address bar. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. You might have heard about Google Gemini and wondered how you can use it straight from your Chrome browser. Well, it's quite simple, and I'll walk you through the steps to do just that. First things first, the first step is to open Google Chrome. Now, if Chrome isn't already running on your computer, go ahead and find it on your desktop or in your Applications menu and double-click to launch it. If you're already using another web browser, just close that one and make sure Chrome is up and ready to go. Once you have Google Chrome open, you are ready for the next step. What you want to do now is look at the top of your screen, where you will find the address bar. That's where you input web addresses. Instead of typing in a full URL, you are going to type in something a little different. Grab your keyboard and type in @Gemini right into that address bar. This may feel a bit unusual since we often don't use the @ symbol in web addresses, but trust me, it works. After you type that in, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now, as you hit Enter, you should be redirected to the Gemini interface. If all goes well, you will see the Gemini homepage appear in front of you, which means you're almost there. With the Gemini page opened, you are now free to ask any question you desire. The layout is user-friendly, and you will notice an input box where you can type your query. Go ahead and ask anything that comes to your mind. Need advice? Seeking information? Just type it in, and within moments, Gemini will provide you with answers drawn from its extensive database. It really is that straightforward. The ability to directly access Gemini from the Chrome address bar makes it incredibly convenient for quick inquiries or deeper research. And the more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become with it. I think one of the best parts about utilizing Gemini is how it's designed to streamline your searching experience. No more going through several tabs or websites. It's all at your fingertips just by typing that simple command in the address bar. You might also notice that the interface is quite sleek and modern, making the search process not just functional, but enjoyable as well. Plus, with each query you make, whether it's simple or complex, Gemini is continuously learning from all the interactions, which enhances its ability to provide relevant answers. As we wrap up this tutorial, I encourage you to explore Gemini from your Chrome address bar. Experiment with different questions and get a feel for how it works. Use it in your daily life for everything from casual questions to serious research. Remember, this is a tool designed to make your online search experience more efficient and enjoyable. If you have any questions or run into any issues while using Gemini, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you found this video useful today, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy searching with Google Gemini.